And so this is Spectrum, which is a bit of a view on my car. Just need that. There's a Spectrum DX2E radio. Pretty good. This is a electrix RC torment truck. It's pretty beast. Pretty good suspension probably. Take off the cover and show them. Body off. As you can see. There's the Spectrum receiver. Stock. That's dynamite. Fuze 5800 kV EC. Then the 800 kilovolt brushless motor. And that's in the battery is in there. It's a 3800 milliamp dynamite, and pretty sick how the battery comes out. Just twist these butterfly holders, lift it up, battery slides right out. Truck roughly costs $200. I would say it's a great buy if you're for your first truck. I definitely endorse this product. Alright, that's pretty much it. Kick-ass colors. And I'm out.